Hi, my name is Brody, and we're going to be testing 3 gummy bears today. One in water, salt water, vinegar, and Sprite. These are the 3 gummy bears that we're going to be testing. We're going to be testing albinos, lilies, and black forest. Salt in the cup first, now we're going to pour some water in there. I'm gonna mix the salt water now. Now I'm gonna put these lilies in the in all of these ones. These are natural gummy bears. Now I'm gonna put these black forest ones in all these ones. Now, and these ones are my favorites though. Here's my hypothesis. I think the water will make the gummy bear stay the same and lose its color because it's just clear and there's like nothing happening in it. I think the salt water is gonna make it like really salty and make it shrink a little bit because the salt is like making it a little hard and it like goes a little, like shrinks a little bit. I think the vinegar is gonna make it smell definitely, but it's gonna make it grow a little bit. And the Sprite is definitely going to make it bubbly, but it's going to make it grow a little bit too, because of bubbles. I'm turning white. It's 2:15, we're doing our first observation. So lilies shrank for water. That is small. Wow. And this one grew. That one grew. Like everything right here grew. Everything right here grew, and the lilies are really just, yeah.
Lilies are shrinking?
Lilies are shrinking.
Wow. You can't even see this guy.
Wow. It's been 2 hours since we checked again and since we started, and these 2 dissolved already.
What happened?
These 2 dissolved. This is normal water and this is salt water. And this one, these 2 are about to dissolve.
You saying they're gone?
Mm-hmm. See, this is what they start out at because they're really small. These ones grew.
You think everything else grew?
Yes.
Oh my, look at this one.
What's
Happening here, bro?
The bubbles are making it grow a little bit.
Is it making it dissolve?
Kind of, yeah.
Like,
Yeah, it's dissolving slowly.
flavor?
It's been 3 hours since we started, and all of these are growing, both of these are growing a little bit too. And all of these ones just disappeared. They went nowhere. Like, look how tiny they are.
This is how they started.
Organic. They're organic.
And now they are.
All gone.
And it's been how long?
It's been 3 hours.
And they're all gone?
Yep.
What else do you see different on these?
That there's the water changed colors a little bit. And the middles are good. There's still that, but this
happening?
one right here, I have no idea.
It's kind of dissolved.
That was an orange one. Oh, yeah, dissolving a lot.
What's one?
That one's puffing up.
Yes.
All of these ones are puffing up.
And then these are your favorite ones?
Mm-hmm.
You think?
Oh, it's stronger than these ones because if I squeeze it, it's strong. But if I squeeze this one,
Different
it's
texture?
a different texture.
So you think because this is different texture,
Yeah.
it makes it different in there?
Yeah.
Because they're made different, they have different ingredients, you think?
Yes. This one
Well.
tastes different. This one tastes different, and this one tastes different. All of those taste different.
Okay, so our observation at 6 p.m. is
These are all puffy, except the Sprite.
Sprite. What about the first one over here? What's different here?
They're puffy too.
And do you think they're growing, or do you think they're staying the same now?
I think they're staying the same. This is the 5th hour, and they're going. All these ones have dissolved. These ones dissolved. Look at all that stuff that's about to fall off. Look.
It's falling apart. Okay, that's a new observation.
I want to see what happens if we split it in.
Do you think water's falling apart? Let's take a look.
One's falling apart.
Those are falling apart. Okay. Now, do our other ones are falling apart?
No.
Ooh. So these
fall apart.
what are those brand? Albanese?
No, these ones are Albanese.
And Albanese are not falling apart.
It's been 12 hours since our other observation and 18 hours since we started. So these ones all dissolved. These ones all dissolved. All the lilies ones dissolved. Because they're organic and they're really small. Black forest.
Okay, and so looks like what?
It looks like they're falling apart. These ones.
Except
That one.
What happened to this one?
It's dissolving in the spike.
Okay.
And these ones are my favorites, are not really doing anything. But that one's kind of dissolving a little bit, but none of them are doing anything. My final verdict is that these taste the best. Okay, so now I'm gonna taste the water one and take a little bite. Oh my gosh.
Slimy?
It's slimy like slime.
Ew. Alright, what does it taste
That tasted weird.
like? Like what?
It tastes like slime. I mean, it's like slime when you put it in your hand, but it just tastes like Jell-O.